very happy morning. Hope you're doing good. Stay home, stay safe. Children, in today's topic, let us look at the topic of maps. You all know what is a map, right? Because you are learning from grade 5. So listen, children. Today, we are going to see about many details about the map. Okay, Kanna? So here, if I say map itself, you all know that India map, world map, likewise. Yes or no? So there are some differentiation, there are some classifications, and we are going to see detailed about the map. Okay. So, do you know who he is? He is Mercator of Belgium. Okay, he is a cartographer. What do you mean by the word cartographer? The word cartographer indicates the person who draws the map. Okay, so who makes the outline of the map? So those persons are called as cartographer, and he is the famous person. Okay, his name is Mercator of Belgium. Okay, Gerardus Mercator of Belgium. Okay, my dear children. So he was making map from 19th to 20th century. So he is the person. Okay, my dear children. Next, we are going to look at a small topic on classification of the maps. So you all know what is a globe, right? So globe is a small model of the earth which indicates the places, the directions, the map scale, the compass cross, everything you can see in the globe. Okay, children, fine. So you just have introduction of the globe, and next we're going to see about the large scale and small scale. What do you mean by large scale and small scale, and how it is useful for us? See, if you look at the picture itself, you could observe the large scale and the small scale has a differentiation in identifying the places. Look at the large scale. It gives a detail of the particular place, and it talks about where is the house located and where is the direction we have to move out. Everything you can see clearly in the large scale. Okay, Kanna? In the small scale, you can observe the way to go or the street to cross. Everything you can see in a little smaller scale. This is a difference. Hope so you will be using very good in your maps nowadays, because you are well versed in using the nets, and wherever the place you wanted to go, or wherever if you want to order a food, you will be using these maps to locate your locations. Okay, Karna? So this is how the difference between the large scale and the small scale differs. Next, what is this? If you see this map, what comes inside your mind? Observe the map very carefully. You could observe here the water and the land content, and the green color represents the plants, of course. So here you could see the white color also, which indicates the icebergs, that is the ice places. Okay, Kanna? Here it indicates thus how is the what to say, the physical map. What it talks about, physical appearance of the map and the places. Okay, Kanna? So this is called as physical map, and this is how the physical map appears. And in the down you could see here, just a minute. Yeah, here you can see which color indicates what content. Like brown color is for land, and the green color is for the trees, and the blue color represents the water. Likewise, you can see the differentiation over here. Okay, my dear children. Next, let us look on to the, so it talks about the political map. Often you will be using this map, and it shows the states and the other country content inside the country or the world. Okay, my dear children. So this is called as the political map. It talks about how many union territories are there and how many states are present inside our India. As well, you can observe even the world political map too. Yeah, what is this? It looks completely different, right? So this is called as thematic map. What it is, Kanna? Thematic map. So this thematic map is purposefully used for specific reasons, like to know the railway routes, to know the main rainfall, to know the how much population has been located, to know how it is what to say, like the climatic conditions. Likewise, for various purposes, this thematic map has been used. So here it represents the rainfall tendency. You can observe, see, here it talks about red is a decreasing trend, blue is increasing trend, green is no trend, and gray is no data at all. So details are given over here, right? So you can observe, So blue color is where all it is present and how much it is during each month they have given. Okay, so for these specific purposes, these thematic maps are being used. Next one, let us see about the advantages of maps. Why do we use maps? For what purpose it has been used? You all know very well, to locate the places, to locate the climatic conditions, to locate the various directions. For everything, the maps have been used. Next one, we are going to say about map scale. What do you mean by map scale? And why it has been used? Children, listen to me. The distance between, to know the distance between each place, one place to another place, you will be using mostly the maps, Google Maps. Yes or no? Suppose if you want to travel from Coimbatore to Chennai, and how much distance it is, and how much kilometers it is, and how much hard will it take you to reach. Nowadays you can observe even through if you go by walk, or if you go by two-wheeler, or if you take off the four-wheeler, how much hour you will be reaching the places. So to know the distance between each places, these map skills are being used. Next, let us talk about the directions. We all know very well that the right hand is east, west, north, and the south. We know these four directions very well. But you have to know about the northwest, northeast, southeast, as well as the southwest. Okay, Kanna. So in every maps, no, you can observe this direction. That is this compass rose. To know which direction our location is been there. Like suppose if you're talking about Tamil Nadu, whether it is in southeast or whether it is in east. So know the exact directions, you have to know this compass rules. Okay, Kanna. So what is this legend? What this legend talks about? See, listen. I hope so. You will be observing this, but you could have not noticed. Okay. So in each map, no. Suppose now you are using the Google Map from a good restaurant to your home. Okay, so on the way, what are the things you could observe, like a church or like a mosque, or the where is the Gulf court, and where is the bridges available? Okay, and where is the railway track, and where is the footpath? Likewise, you can see. So where is the temple, post office, police station, everything you can observe this. Okay, my dear children. For this purpose only, this plan has been used. This is called as legend. Okay. So I hope so I have covered all the topics which comes inside the lesson map. And let us have a small detail by reading the content of the lesson. Okay, children. So whatever the doubts you have, let me clarify during the lesson. Take care. Bye-bye.